Castor oil is a free radical scavenger, acting as an antioxidant. It contains tocopherols, or vitamin E, which are primary antioxidants. Castor oil has higher levels of vitamin E than olive, hazelnut, and sunflower oil. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, making it useful for treating minor diseases. Castor oil is a popular treatment for removing stretch marks due to its rich content of fatty acids that enhance skin elasticity. Stretch marks can be caused by pregnancy, rapid weight gain, aging, hormonal imbalance, sudden weight loss, and swelling. Castor oil is an excellent moisturizer and effective treatment for various skin conditions. Castor oil can be used as a deep facial cleanser, effectively treating acne and removing dirt, bacteria, dead skin cells, and excess oils, unlike harsh chemicals found in over-the-counter and prescription facial cleansers that dry out the skin. Castor oil, rich in vitamin E, proteins, minerals, and antibacterial properties, can strengthen and lengthen eyelashes by deeply nourishing and refreshing the area, promoting quicker growth and preventing breakage. Castor oil is known for its potential to strengthen hair and thicken eyebrows. Its antioxidants, proteins, vitamins, fatty acids, and nutrients nurture hair follicles and fight against bacteria. Castor oil can help achieve this by stimulating their growth with its antioxidants, proteins, and fatty acids. Castor oil, rich in fatty acids, can reduce and prevent the appearance of scars by stimulating the lymphatic system, a crucial component for scar prevention, although it cannot eliminate existing scars. Castor oil, rich in antibacterial ricinoleic acid, offers a dual-action approach to hydrate skin and combat bacteria, effectively addressing itching and irritation. Castor oil has a high concentration of vitamin E, which works wonders for brittle, dry nails. Massaging it into your nails and cuticles every evening will result in soft cuticles and healthy-looking nails.